In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Temu website efficiently so you can easily access your order details with just a few clicks. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just curious about tracking your purchases, these steps will guide you through the process clearly and concisely. So let's dive right in. We'll begin by heading over to the Temu website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the website address. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the main homepage. This site serves as the gateway to everything you need, from placing new orders to tracking your past purchases. It's important to familiarize yourself with this homepage as it acts as your starting point for all your activities on the platform. Now, once you're on the Temu homepage, the next step is to locate and access your profile. Typically, you'll find the profile icon situated towards the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this icon will open up a drop-down menu showcasing a variety of options related to your account settings and activities. Among these options, you'll want to select the one that reads All Orders. This section contains a comprehensive list of your purchase history, essentially acting as a digital archive documenting every purchase you've made. As you make your way into the All Orders section, you might notice that it categorizes your orders based on their status. This is where things become really convenient. To check on items that have already reached you, simply look for an option labeled Delivered and click on it. This filter efficiently sorts through your list, presenting only the items that have been successfully delivered to your address. And that's it. With just a few simple clicks, you've accessed your entire order history and can now review the items you've received. Understanding how to quickly locate your delivered items on Temu saves time and adds a level of convenience to your online shopping experience. Before we wrap up, let me share a quick tip. If you're frequently checking orders, consider bookmarking the Temu website for easy access on future visits. It's a small step that can save you a bit of time and will streamline your experience on the platform. Thank you for following along with this short guide. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just getting started, I hope this walkthrough was helpful and made navigating Temu a breeze. Remember, staying organized and knowing how to quickly find your orders gives you more control and satisfaction with your online shopping activities. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.